Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to study economics for commerce. First, begin by thoroughly understanding the fundamental principles of economics. This includes grasping concepts like scarcity, opportunity cost, and the basic laws of demand and supply. Make sure you differentiate between microeconomics and macroeconomics topics, as both are crucial. Consistent practice with numerical problems will also significantly enhance your comprehension and problem-solving skills. To truly grasp economics, focus on defining key terms accurately. Connect theoretical concepts to everyday situations. For instance, how inflation impacts your daily spending. Visual aids like flowcharts or diagrams can simplify complex economic models, making them easier to remember. Engaging in discussions with classmates about different economic principles will also help you see various perspectives and deepen your overall understanding. Consistent practice is vital for success in economics. Dedicate time each day to solving a diverse range of numerical problems, ensuring you understand the formulas and their application. Work through case studies to see how economic theories play out in practical scenarios. When answering descriptive questions, aim for clear, well-structured responses. Remember to use graphs and tables effectively to present data and support your arguments. For effective revision, condense your study material into brief, easy-to-review notes. Establish a regular schedule for revisiting all topics, ensuring no concept is left behind. Before exams, challenge yourself with full-length mock tests, simulating exam conditions to manage your time effectively. Finally, strategically prioritize topics that carry higher weightage in your syllabus, focusing your efforts where they will yield the most points.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.